So the inner tube doesn't seem to be anything different. It's the same, but I think I'm gonna try and fill it up and let's see what happens. Let's see if this is the main problem. I'm sorry because this is first time doing it, so please excuse me. I just need to fix it. Okay, I need to fix this one. Okay. Now let's try to pump it up. Now let's see. I mean, there seems to be no difference in inner tube, I think. Let me check. All seems the same hardness. I don't see anything different. Let's see the tire. This is tire. I would say maybe it's the cause of the tire, because the tire let's see. I really don't know. Or maybe it's the this one. Wait. Could this be the problem? Maybe it's uneven. I don't know. I'm really not sure. Maybe it's the tire. I don't think it's the problem, this one. This one seems, to my eye, fairly straight. So I don't know if this would affect it. I think it's the tire, actual tire, not the inner tube. Because the inner tube, I think, maybe you guys can there check, but I think it's fairly straight. There is no difference. Maybe no, it's straight. I mean, I think the problem is tire. That's it. Maybe you guys can tell me maybe what can be this cause, and yeah, we can go forward from there. So that's about it for now. I'm gonna set it up back, and I hope to hear from you guys quick. Thank you. Bye.